Oh my god, it was hot. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, Allie on YouTube here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my very first unboxing on this channel. I do unboxings on my other channel, but that's only for tech stuff. Expect one soon, by the way. New video on that channel soon. So I have never ordered from Erin Condren before, so I decided to order something. And it came today, so I'm filming it for you. We're gonna do an unboxing. Here is the box. I know the angle's kind of wonky. That's just because my phone is hanging dangerously and I don't have a proper tripod. At least I'm using my phone because I would not be able to do this with my camera. So let's begin. So this is like a salmon pink box. I don't like pink, but this is a pretty one. And right here it says enjoy. Let me cut this baby open. I'm excited. I love planners. I love school supplies. And you might be thinking, why am I buying stuff at the end of the semester, near the end of the semester? Well, I'm planning for next semester already. So, oh, it's so pretty. Your stuff. Okay, hold on. I need to weigh this down. Let me put that there. There we go. So, we have this cute little enjoy to from tag. Might save that for something. And then here is a postcard that says well done is better than well said. And I might not use this as a postcard. I don't know if you can see it. I might not use this as a postcard. I might just like hang it up somewhere as a wall decoration. But it's so cute. And then we have more stickers. It says peel slowly from left to right. Oh, so this is my first Erin Condren order, and I'll put the link down below. But I have a referral code for Erin Condren, so I'll put that down below. You can use it. But it says welcome. Enjoy these free gift labels to simplify and stylize gift giving on the go. And that says hello and welcome. Thanks for your first order. Enjoy these free gift labels. The same thing said before, and it gave me 10% off my next purchase, which I wish I knew I had before, because again, my other order. And what the labels are, it says thanks, happy birthday, enjoy, cheers, XOXO, and celebrate. And I will save these for something. Just don't know what yet. Okay. Put it back in packaging. So, it's a little enjoy sticker. And cute little, try not to rip it. There we go. I blame my mother. She raised me like this. So, I'm scared. Ooh, bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Okay, so I got 3 things. Let me get rid of the box now. So I got colorful dot stickers, which came free because it just came with the planner. So I will definitely use these. And then I purchased colorful monthly adhesive tabs because this does not have any. So I wanted, that. And here is my academic planner from Erin Condren. It is 6 months, I believe. And my cover says, don't follow your dreams, chase them, Allie. And I changed the colors a little. I didn't change the background color. I just changed the coloring letter, or for dreams in Allie, because I wanted a green. It's really small, and that's perfect and fine. So when you open it up, it says academic planner, and it says your name, school, and year. So this will be for my sophomore year. I love the matte cover. I just love matte, and the inside's kind of like glossy. So then when you open it, it gives you a blank month with a quote, and I will start this from August. I'll set it up later. Maybe I'll set it up for you guys. Oh, I'm out of frame. I might set it up for you guys, but this one says stress is just dessert spelled backwards, and then you get your projects and exam layout. You get 6, where you can put details in class, instructor, then you put the deadline and description, and you put your important dates. So like say you have like a rough draft due and then another one, you could just put the dates for those, and then you put a little check or circle, whatever you want to do, in a little box when you're finished. And then you have a weekly log that's horizontal, which is, I love horizontal, which you put the assignments on here, which actually will come in handy next semester. And then you have, I think, 5 of them. Yeah, so then, yeah, that's there we go. So you have my August outline, and I'll do the rest of the months later and do a flip through in December. So that's it for this week's video. Give a big old thumbs up if you like it. If you want to see me do more school related videos, or me do more school related unboxings or school supply stuff, let me know in the comments below. I'll happily talk about school for you guys. I like talking about school, actually. If you want to hear more from me, go ahead and follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the down bar below. If you want to have I think there's a discount with this referral code for Erin Condren, I will link down below. Things are a little pricey, but she is currently having a sale on her website. The last I checked, that's how I got this. So you could go, do the sale and use my referral code and get a few more dollars off, which will be perfectly great for this. So I will see you guys all next Saturday with another unboxing or another school related video. But until then, bye!